roadmap to becoming a data analyst. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a roadmap for those aspiring to become data analysts, a role that's increasingly vital in today's data-driven world. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to pivot into this exciting field, this roadmap will guide you step by step. First, let's clarify what a data analyst does. A data analyst collects, processes, and interprets data to help organizations make informed decisions. It's a career that combines technical skills, problem-solving, and business acumen. Begin with the basics. Develop your understanding of data types and structures.
Key statistical concepts like mean, median, variance, and probability. The importance of data integrity and cleaning. These fundamentals form the backbone of any data analyst's skill set. Next, familiarize yourself with the tools of the trade. Spreadsheets. Start with tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Learn how to manipulate data, create pivot tables, and visualize trends. SQL. SQL is the universal language for accessing databases. Practice writing queries to extract and manipulate data effectively. Programming. Python or R are must-haves for advanced data analysis and automation. These languages offer libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib to simplify your work. Communicating insights is just as important as finding them. Master data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI for interactive dashboards. Python's Matplotlib and Seaborn for customized charts. Focus on creating visuals that tell compelling stories from your data. Data analysis isn't just about tools. It's about asking the right questions and finding actionable insights. Work on real-world projects to hone your critical thinking. Kaggle, a platform for data science competitions, is a great place to start. As a data analyst, you'll often bridge the gap between technical teams and business stakeholders. Learn to understand key performance indicators, KPIs, and how your insights can drive business decisions. Create a portfolio showcasing your skills. Data cleaning and analysis projects. Dashboards or reports you've designed. Insights you've uncovered from datasets. Your portfolio is your chance to demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. Finally, data analysis is a fast-evolving field. Keep learning. Stay updated on new tools and techniques. Follow industry blogs, forums, and experts. Participate in webinars and workshops. In conclusion, the journey to becoming a data analyst requires a blend of technical expertise, analytical thinking, and continuous learning. By following this roadmap and committing to growth, you'll be well on your way to a rewarding career in data analytics. Thank you, and best of luck on your journey.